everybody, welcome back. Look what came in the mail. It was actually a really weird delivery. I usually get delivered by Canada Post, and it was on my doorstep last night at like 11 o'clock. It was so weird. Anyway, and it did come in a plastic bag. Have your guys been coming in plastic bags? I got it last night, and you know what? I thought this was a butterfly kit. From the little few glimpses that I got from the live when Sammy released this one, I thought it had a lot of butterflies in it, but I think I'm wrong. I did kind of sneak the stickers last night. I was looking at them. So let's take the goodies out. Now I get the paper lover, the planner lover, and the sticker lover. Sticker lover comes by itself. It was in plastic, but I already took the plastic off. And I think I've mentioned this in the last video, but what I do is after I review it all with you guys, I change the way I store it in the pouches. So I'll share that with you when we get to that point, because I did last time and I don't know what happened to the quality of my video, but something happened and I had to refilm the video and I never mentioned that part. So I'll show you at the end. So first, let's go through the paper lover. I am going to unwrap everything because the plastic just gets me every time. So I'm going to unwrap it first and then I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, so I left the stamps in the plastic, but I just wanted to go through the die cuts with you because I wanted to see how many butterfly pieces there actually were. And on top of it, I thought it was a different color, but it's actually purple, so it didn't really work for me anyway, but that's okay. So this is the main girl, and her name is Betty, and she is so pretty. I love this window. And again, look, because it's more of a high tea thing than anything, I think. That's why they've got those cookies in there again. I mean, that is so cute, but again, it's more of a high tea, and it's kind of more of the, people have been saying that like the Alice in Wonderland vibes going through because of the snail and the bunny and the tea. And I guess this one too, right? The cards. So, but there are a few butterflies in here. Oh, and Open Me. So yeah, so definitely Alice in Wonderland vibes everybody's getting. So you've literally got like 3 butterflies for the die cuts. So I mean, that's not really going to help my case with my butterfly setup. Yeah, I must have been mistaken. I thought for some reason I was under the impression it was more of a butterfly kit, but it's not. That's okay. All right, I'm going to put these back. I don't usually open the die cuts, but I did want to see how many butterfly things I could find. Okay, so I usually compare the art cards, but I never opened a planner level yet. Let's see here. Okay, so there's always 2 art cards. This is the one from Planner Lover. This is the one from Paper Lover. Planner Lover is the glossy kind with the really bright ink, and then Paper Lover is more of a dollar one with not a glossy finish, like it's more of a matte finish. So that's the difference there, and that's kind of like, that's been the same. That's been very consistent through all the kits. So this has the die cuts. The stamps are cute. Like they have the little teacups, the flowers, the butterflies. Like these would be cute. If I was a stamping person, I would like to take those out and use those, and then you could color them in however you want to, but they're really small. This is just wings, and yeah, little icons. The icons are cute, and I like this butterfly too with the little trail behind it. That one's adorable. Okay, and then for the little cards, so this one says catch feels, not butterflies. It's got the flowers on the back. This one says currently cocooning with the paint swabs on the back, the flower, making memories to last a lifetime. This is the picture frame one. And then I like this side. I've always kind of liked this with the little writing on it. Something little that made my day. This one says real queens fix each other's crowns without telling the world that it was crooked. Let's brew this. And then this is probably my favorite one. A time I felt a flutter of excitement. Again, another little journaling card, but I love this one. Like in the building with all the butterflies. That one's so pretty. Okay, so those are the little journaling cards. And then for the papers, let's check these out. So I think this is my favorite one. It's so pretty. And this one has pink on the background. I actually really like this one too. But again, it's so funny because right now I'm a little disappointed this has blue on the background, because these are like some of my favorite color palettes, like the pink and the purple, and I'm using a teal binder this month. Go figure. Okay, this is the photo album one. That's so cute. So the blue on there. I do like the idea of this. I like how it kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Okay, then the flower pattern. This one has green in the background. And then, oh, this one. Okay, this is going to be my favorite. I love this so much. Reminds me of like early morning dawn, you know, the few stars sprinkled in the sky. The sun's just starting to rise and there's like a field of flowers. Could you imagine how that would smell? That one has like a pinky purple background. And then you get the vellum. And the vellum is the same print as that like handwriting print. I actually kind of like that. Is that a paisley design in the background? I really like this vellum. That's really pretty. And then the acetate is one of the flowers at the bottom. This one, I don't know. I kind of like when the whole thing is like, because I mean that covers up a lot of the pretty picture. So I don't know if I enjoy the vellum as much when the flowers are at the bottom like this and it's like a half sheet, because then the rest of it you can't really use. Like, you know, like it's just clear. So I don't know. That's just might be an unpopular opinion, but that's just me. I like when the vellum has a little bit of, you know, design all over it. Like if it had gold butterflies all over it, like small gold butterflies, I would be okay with that, because you could put that over top the sheet and then there'd be like the butterflies all over the page. That'd be kind of cool. Anyway, that is it for the papers. So how I store mine is the only thing that goes in this bigger envelope are the papers, and everything else goes in the smaller envelope, like everything, even the sticker level. Okay, and that's kind of how I keep my papers can stack like tight to one another, and then I stack the other envelope in a different area, but the papers kind of all go together, and then I know which kit they belong to because they're all in their envelope. Okay, so I'll keep the stuff that I've already talked about in separately here, although this is with planner lever. Okay, so I'm going to open this one up now and then we will show this one. Okay guys, so this one includes the washi tape. It includes the art card, 1 pack of stickers, the washi card. Okay, it says we are royalty. Butterfly blooms. That's what it is. Not butterfly skies. I think maybe it's the last one. Butterfly blooms. And then the notepad and the sticky notes. Sticky notes for the smaller one, sticky notepad, and then the regular notepad. Okay. So we'll look at the stickers after, because I already like, I love showing that at the end. Let's watch the washi here. So we have 5 washi, and I've been putting them in the back of my business notebook. So this was from chapter 3. Let's do chapter 4. So yeah, I wish that they had some kind of like, if the whole kit is called Butterfly Bloom, it would have been nice if they had more butterfly accents rather than just a few. But we'll look at the stickers anyway and see what they look like. Yeah, that's the washi, so very purple themed. So this one had purple in it, but it's a lot more, you know, aqua, I guess. I'm just gonna like flip back through the kit so far. So that was prior. to the chapter 1. So this was chapter 1 here, okay, the pink one. This was chapter 2, it was more orange. Then we had chapter 3, which was kind of like teal or greeny color and purple. And then we have the butterfly blooms chapter 4. And that's all purple and blue. Okay, so that's what it is so far. So now let's look at the stickers. Okay, I'm always excited to look at these. So I'll look at the left side first. And the first front page is with Betty on it with the little window. I love this one here. That's really pretty. I do really enjoy the colors of this kit. And I would like to be able to use these in my Hobonichi eventually. Like these are the clear stickers now. But I think even cutting off the edges of them and putting them in the corner of your journal is so pretty. Okay, and then especially this whole flowery page here. This one's perfect for doing that. Then the little minis. I love the one with the wings. It's so cute. I like the little princess too. The one she's in the teacup. That one. I wish there had been more of those. Those are adorable. Okay, and then the word one. Well, not the word one. I guess this is the one that with like the headers. So it's got reminder, dentist appointment, laundry day, personal day. Okay, payday, day off. It's actually got, I didn't even realize, maybe I skipped this. It must be in every kit. They've got 3 blank ones. These are the size that I like to use the most. These ones here, but there's only 3. Okay, then this is the Wordfetti page. And then the little boxes. These are like large boxes and then square boxes. And then the page with the icons on it, the folding planner, the circle stickers, and then the little bubble stickers. And this part here, this isn't cut out, but I would just simply cut that right out, and you can use that in your planner as a washi strip too. Okay, and then the last page, you can like rip this one up. Although it's so pretty, this is my favorite pattern. I probably wouldn't rip this one up. I would probably use this as a full page. It's too pretty to cut up. Okay, and then the other side, these are the weeks. So you get like a weekly and then a decorative page. So this is when they go to the butterfly conservatory, I think is what they call it. You've got a butterfly, all little ones here. Catch feels, not butterflies. You've got the weeks and some icons. And then the decorative page. That one's really pretty. The bunny is so cute. And then when they go to the high tea, I like the dress. I love this one here. And then the decorative page for that. And the cookies, they get me every time. I like that too. Okay, a cup of tea. It's like purple tea. It's so pretty. And then they are back in the room, I guess, unpacking or getting ready. It's like a girl's trip. I like those colored butterflies. That would work in my planner. Okay, and then they have some makeup and a chair and dresses and their room and a camera. That's so cute. Okay, and then the last one is their journaling about it again. So the picture frame thing, and then just memories of pictures, and then a flower page. And then of course the last page is one you can rip up, and this one has got that pretty flower pattern all over it. All right, so that is it for Butterfly Blooms Chapter 4 from Planners Anonymous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do enjoy these kits. I do miss, there's one thing I'll say that I miss. I miss the variety that the old kits had where, there was a surprise coming and they were a little bit different, because now you pretty much expect the same thing in every single one of these kits. So that's the only thing that I'm missing a little bit. But I mean, they are beautiful. So I guess I can't complain too much. But thank you guys for sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.